Hello everyone, welcome on today's episode on Agrolive Ventures. Today we'll be taking you into a recently acquired piece of land which covers a total surface area of 2 hectares. Here we will be journeying into maize cultivation. Yes, maize cultivation requires several processes. It has to do with soil preparation, and in terms of soil preparation, there are so many stages. We have clearing, raking, plowing, and before planting. But here we discover that planting is already being done manually. Like I said, that's because um, local methods were used. That is, they use grass killers and strong herbicides to spray, and then we allow for 2 weeks, and then we use machetes and plants, just like you see our workers doing. Now, what are some of the disadvantages of using such methods? First of all, when you plow the soil, it loosens the soil. You permit circulation of oxygen, you permit absorption of nutrients, especially when you apply fertilizers. But using such methods, we usually slow down those procedures, and that's one of the reasons it's very difficult for you to compare yields from a farm that is done using local methods and another farm which is done using mechanized methods. It's practically very difficult to have mechanized methods around such communities because, first of all, they are costly. Secondly, they are not available. Yeah, so you find it a little bit challenging for local farmers to extend. But we'll be giving you tips on how to better manage a good corn farm, a good maize farm, as we'll be journeying towards this venture. Remember, I said this is a recently acquired 2 hectares piece of land, and we'll be giving you updates on the evolution of this farm as we go by. So, for all those of you who aspire into venturing into agriculture, these are some of the things you must take into consideration. You must take into consideration your environment, the availability of tractors and heavy engines that will permit cultivation of your crops to enhance optimum yield. So these are some of the things we must take into consideration before venturing. If you like our content and you want to support us, help share our content, make your comments, give your opinions on what you think about this farm and better methods that could easily be implemented to obtain optimum yield, or why not other options um, that could be used in terms of manual labor. Thank you, thank you, thank you.